Hello friends, so today I am going to start a new lesson, that is quadratic equation. That is the lesson of standard 10th and chapter 2. So let's start. First of all, what is quadratic equation? The equation involving one variable and having 2 as the maximum index of the variable is called quadratic equation. So first of all, what is mean by having 2 as a variable? So this is the general form of quadratic equation, and the maximum value which can come in this as a variable in this equation, that is 2. So that's why it is written as the equation involving one variable and having 2 as the maximum index. So here in the index, maximum number which can come over in the index, that is 2. So this is general form ax square plus bx plus c. This is the general form of quadratic equation. So let's see first of all example number 1, which is the quadratic equation. So can you tell me, I have given this 4 terms. In 4 terms, which one is the actual quadratic equation? You can see the 4 examples is given. So first is 3x square minus 5x plus 3 equals to 0. Second is 9y square plus 5 equals to 0. Third is m cube minus 5m square plus 4 equals to 0. And fourth is l plus 2 bracket close and l minus m bracket close equals to 0. So you can compare these four equations with this general form of equation. So as you can see over here, this is the proper quadratic equation, because here the index is 2, maximum index is 2, after that 1, then 0 equals to 0. Next you can see here it is given as maximum index 2, but here y is over there, and after that there is no 1 in the index. So this is wrong. After that here cube cannot come in the quadratic equation. That's why in the first only it is wrong, as we can see by comparing the general form. And fourth, this is clearly showing us that it is the wrong equation, because we need to first multiply this and convert it in the general form. So that's why it is also wrong. So this equation is correct, because in this equation x is the only variable and maximum index of the variable is 2. So it is the quadratic equation. So I will write it over here that it is a quadratic equation. So I hope you understand this question. So let's take example number 2. So what is the question? Solve the quadratic equation by factorization. So here we need to apply factorization method in this sum. So let's see what is the first sum. So it is m square minus 14m plus 13. So let us see how to solve this. So first of all, we need to classify this 14 into 2 numbers. So how we can see? We can multiply 2 numbers and see the 14 answer should be 14. So let's see m square. So which 2 numbers we will multiply and then it will come as 14. So we need to first see that we will add and which sign we are going to put it over here. So that answer should be 14. So we will write over minus 13 m minus 1 m. So minus will become plus, and 13 plus 1 become 14. So that is minus 14 will come. So this is the correct equation, minus 13 minus 1, and after that this 13 will come as it is over here, 13 equals to 0. The next step will be how we can split this term into 2 square. From this square part we will split in normal term. So first of all we will do m bracket m minus 13. So it will become m into m square minus 13 into m, that is 13. So we have to first split this, and after that we should take care that next term should be the same. Inside the bracket the same term should come again. So here you can see, here m minus 13 and here also m minus 13 is coming. So this is the proper equation. So after that we will continue. We will take this m minus 1 as one equation and m minus 13 as second equation. So two equations are coming over here. So here we can say m is equals to 1 because this 1 will go over here, and here we can say m is equals to 13 because this 13 will come over here and minus sign will convert it into plus. So therefore we can say 13 and 1 are the roots of this given quadratic equation. So like this we can apply the factorization method to solve the quadratic equation. I will solve one more question. This is quite hard compared to this. So let's solve this question. So in this question, as you can see, this is not in the form of quadratic equation. So first of all, we need to convert it into quadratic equation. So we will convert it. So 6 root 3 x square plus 7x, and this root 3 will come over here. That will become minus root 3 equals to 0. So now it is a proper quadratic equation. Now we can solve it using the factorization method. So let's convert this 7. We need two numbers which by subtracting or adding we can get answer as 7. So let's start. 6 root 3 x square plus 9x minus 2x. So plus 9 minus 2 will become plus 7. So that's why we have taken 9 plus and 2 as a minus. So 9 minus 2 will become 7. Minus root 3 will come as it is, equals to 0. Then after that we need to split these terms into two equations. So for that, first of all we need to write 3 root 3 x and in bracket 2x plus root 3. So here as you can see, by multiplying this term the same will come. So that's why we know that it is a splitting term. So we split this term and write it in the and make the two equations. So after that here minus 1 2x plus root 3 equals to 0. So here we are writing simply minus 1 and same equation as it is. We have already put it minus 1 over here, so that's why inside the bracket we are writing as plus. So after that we will combine these two terms and write as a two different equations. So 3 root 3x minus 1 equals to 0, and second one is 2x plus root 3 equals to 0. Then after that what we'll write, 3 root 3 x, and this 1 will go over here. So this is 1, and after that here 2x is equals to minus root 3. Why it become minus? Because here this root 3 is in the plus. So when it will go in the next side it will become minus. So after that what we will write? We will convert it into x form. So here x is equals to 1 upon 3 root 3. So this 3 root 3 come upon in the upon of 1, and after that next term x is equals to root 3 minus root 3 upon 2. Here x is equals to minus root 3 and this 2 will come the upon root 3. And then after that this whatever we are getting in this as a x, this is our final answer. So here we will write therefore minus root 3 upon 2 and 1 upon 3 root 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. So hope you understood these two examples. Further in the next videos I am going to take more examples related to quadratic equation. So if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.